Hi guys and welcome to Total Technik. We're literally going to be showing you every component that needs to be removed in the correct order, every screw, every clip. All you need to do is follow along at home and you'll be in good hands. It's not a particularly difficult job, provided you know and understand the components that you're trying to remove, which is what we'll show you in this video. However, it can be quite time intensive, so you want to set aside a full day, maybe two over a weekend, to get this done yourself. But it does make it an ideal DIY project. Alternatively, because it is quite time intensive, if you were to take this job to your local garage or an Audi main dealer to have the work undertaken for you, the bill that you're going to get back will certainly run into the hundreds of pounds or dollars. So it really is something that's worth setting aside a little bit of time and having a go at doing yourself. Use this video and you definitely will be able to do this project. Now hopefully, as you'll appreciate, producing a video such as this does actually take a long time to do. Not only a long time to film, but also a long time to edit, process and upload to YouTube. And also, hopefully you'll appreciate that this is very specialist content. So we put this onto YouTube and we're not going to get millions of hits. So unfortunately, it's not a video that we can afford to produce and give away for free. But that said, the whole purpose of this project is to try and save you money compared to the price of taking your car to a main dealer or to an independent garage to have the work undertaken on your behalf. You're going to be saving yourself a lot of money. So hopefully you won't mind too much and you can help support what we do here at Total Technik by purchasing the full version of this video. So that's it guys, thank you very much for watching, genuinely very much appreciated. We hope that you'll support us here at Total Technik by going ahead and buying the full version of this video. There'll be links for you either on screen or below in the description below this video. So again, thank you and see you on the next one.